The stress of daily responsibilities like working, cooking, cleaning, and helping the children with homework can take a toll on our physical bodies. But what some people tend to ignore is how the pressures of daily responsibilities can also take a serious toll on your love life. Sometimes couples get so busy, they forget to focus on ways to keep the romantic fires burning in their marriage. Don't fall into this trap. Consider the following ideas to inspire romance in your marriage. Romantic ideas for women to consider. 1. Make your husband first priority in all interpersonal relationships. 2. Never disrespect your husband while trying to please your relatives, including your mother, father, sister, brother, etc. 3. Never allow your relatives to disrespect or criticize your husband in your presence. 4. Never honor your pastor above your husband. 5. Never loan significant sums of money or co-sign a loan without first discussing it with your husband. What is considered a significant amount varies from one household to the next, so discuss and agree on the amount before someone asks for a loan. 6. Ask your husband to help you unzip your dress and tease him a little in the process. 7. Stop trying to change your husband. That's the job of the Holy Spirit. 8. Pamper your husband when he's feeling sick. 9. Send your husband a romantic card in the mail sometimes. 10. Seek your husband's counsel when making major decisions about finances, investments, and job situations. 11. Brag on your husband at social gatherings when friends and family are around. 12. Don't work overtime every day. The physical and emotional drain may have a negative impact on your sex life. 13. Let your husband know you're proud of him. Tell him you appreciate how hard he works to provide for the family. 14. Never say or do anything that may embarrass your husband in public. For example, publicly disagreeing with him and arguing. 15. Dress up for your husband sometimes. This means wear something that you know he likes to see you wear. 16. Be playful and flirt with him to lighten the mood around the house. 17. Take time to dress well when you go places with him. It may be more important to him than you think. 18. Write a flirtatious note and secretly pass it to him in public. Then watch his face lighten up when he reads it. To protect your identity, don't use a business card or slip of paper with names on it. 19. Invite him to take a shower or bubble bath with you. 20. Massage him with baby oil after he gets out of the shower. 21. Verbally discuss your desires and expectations in the bedroom. Don't expect your husband to read your mind. And remember to always express your desires in a kind, loving manner. Never say what you need in a condescending manner. 22. Wear perfume fragrances that your husband likes to smell on you. 23. Buy some nice lingerie to wear for your husband. Flannel pajamas and sweatsuits may be fine sometimes, but not every night. 24. Call your husband during the day and tell him how much you enjoyed making love to him the night before. 25. Sit beside your husband on the sofa and rub his chest while he watches television. 26. Invite him home for lunch and offer him dessert before he leaves. 27. Encourage your husband when he feels emotionally down. 28. Don't discourage your husband when he talks about his big dreams. Instead, inspire him to plan ways to pursue them. 29. Cook your husband's favorite meal and eat dinner by candlelight. 30. Give your husband a deep, passionate kiss every day. 31. Stop reminding your husband of his past failures. Forgive him instead. 32. Pray for your husband and his career or business every day. This is a marriage success moment presented by Dr. David Stevens.